guys, Mitch. All right, I'm going to attempt to put the top up the Delante by myself. First time, and I had to go through. This is not an easy task, so let's see how I do. All right, I'll speed this up while I'm doing this stuff. Here we go. I'm so confused. All right. Pulls. All right. No wonder nobody bought these damn cars. No wonder. Nope, can't do it. Can't do it. Let's come back. Bullshit. Damn it. Oh, oh. That's what you have to go through. Okay, we're back. That was pretty rough. I understand why Cadillac had a problem selling his cars. The SL had a full folding electric top. Cadillac did not do that. Plus they made it front wheel drive, which is stupid. But this car I think is beautiful. This is actually the first time that I've actually looked at this top. I've been with my brother the car's been with my brother for 3 weeks, and this is the first time that I'm actually looking at it. This top, my brother got this top. I'll show the video. This top has been down for 17 years, and my brother was able to get it up. All right, so the video's there on my channel, and this is the first time I'm actually looking at it closely. This strip right here, all right, goes right along here, so I just haven't installed it right here. All right, so I'm gonna move the other side, and here in the trunk I've got a lot of parts. Back seat cover, the seat controls. This goes into the under the what do you call that thing? I don't know. Let's just work on the top. At the top. I'm gonna put this down here. All right. All right. So first time I'm actually looking at it closely. Again, this top's been down for 17 years. Nobody's ever seen it. I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like cleaned up. Looks good. Torn up right here. So it's been jammed up in the trunk forever. You got a gap here. I know there's a connection to connect the defogger. I ain't seen it yet. It's back there somewhere. Here's something going on. Again, this has been stuck in a trunk, so it's got a fold to it. But overall, this top is amazing. Amazing. You know, it's kind of funny to think about this. The top's been down 17, 18 years, and the whole time this top's been down, guess what? Your son or daughter is 17 years old, almost an adult, since this thing's been down. So, there we go. Again, I want to thank Ross Longo again for helping for everything he's done for me on this project. Last looks great. And again, my brother, Scott Grooms. He's been the most incredible brother in the world. All right, so I see this fabric is supposed to be pretty. It ain't pretty. It's supposed to be the pretty fabric. It ain't. It's not pretty. So I see the designs, but you know, it is what it is. Get out of the car. I think it's beautiful with this top up. Beautiful design. Wow. Filthy. Interior's looking pretty good. It's all cleaned up. This is, yeah, it is. You know, we have to tie this thing down because the latches at the front don't want to keep it secure when you're driving down the highway. It wants to fly up. Also, my brother has fixed these doors. He's moved these latches, and remember, it would close like that only, but now closes. How's that? Again, Scott Grooms, my brother, is amazing. I actually love the lines of the car. The thing that strikes me the best is the long front and the short rear. And this is so attractive on this side. It's so short, and it's just, the swoop is not like any other car that I've seen convertible. I do wish these would go down. Of course they don't. They're fixed, which is another stupid thing Cadillac did. But overall, I think it's beautiful. I do have this piece right here. Piece right there. I have it. It's loose, so that's the way it was. Gotta fix it somehow. Let's see what else. The color is beautiful. Still got things that gotta work out. We did work on the gas tank. Well, apparently we didn't fix it. It's still leaking, but I think I can get around it. I'll tell you about that later on. Otherwise, there she is. All right, more to come. And I know a lot of people, nobody watches these videos on these old Cadillac. Nobody cares about these cars. That's what I said before. Nobody cares about these cars. The views are not good, but if nobody watches it, I'm just documenting all this stuff for myself and where it came from. I will put that video here as well. Ron, anyway, it's you know, it's been a struggle. I got this piece right here too. It's in the trunk. Such a beautiful car. All right, let me start it up. All right. Again, thanks for you guys for sticking with this video. Got to work on something about this. Says it's hot. It's not hot. I had to turn the music off. Copyright. Yes, I got a stereo there. But this cleans up after a while. The gauges after it cools off or whatever. You can read it now a little bit. Of course, it's not hot. It's cool. Normal. No, it's not. It's cold. It's cold. Mileage 128,544. Just want to document that. All right. Since I bought the car, I've just realized this just now that I have put 847 miles on the car since I have purchased this car for $500. I bought it for $500. And there's no sun visors here. Can somebody tell me what happens here? I can put the mirror on, but there's no sun visors. So I know there's something here in the middle that everything connects to, but what the hell? Can somebody help me out? Ross, do you know? All right, more to come. And this is just a kind of impromptu. I want to drive it to work tomorrow, I think. Let's see if it's leaking gas. Let's see if it's leaking. Nope. Nothing's leaking. Let's listen to the engine. I want to do a full video. So the fan is on. Number one fan. This one has never worked, so I need to work on this. See, I don't know if it's the work for the AC only. I don't know. But that's something that I'm concerned about. Otherwise, it sounds good. It's running good. Sounds good. All right, I think I'm going to end this video. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and well, this is kind of a, I don't know. It really is pretty. And Miss Red is not liking us. I blew her up. And she's being sold. But again, what can you do? All right. Thank you guys. Later on. Bye.